So windy outside, but look who's at the feeder. Look at the little bitty Wayne. Let's see if he comes around. This is a red, there he is. The yellow bird, isn't he adorable? He's yellow and black and white. He's adorable. Look at baby. This is a red wild canary, and the blue, the yellow one, honestly, I don't know what it is. I don't know what this is. Let me see if I can get closer. Ooh, where'd she go? Oh, gosh. You're beautiful. He's really small compared to this one. See, he's a really small little bird. Oh, and you can see how windy it is. Ah. The camera's not moving up. The birds are. Oh, they're beautiful. It is so windy. I'm going to have to go take a Claritin and wash my eyes out because it's got so windy. All of my face cream ends up in my eyes. Oh, there you are. There you are, baby. There you are. Look at him. Oh. I hope your Sunday's going well, even if it's windy, even if there's work to be done. Oh, I hope you have time for birdies. Beautiful day.